How to get the Roblox Administrator Badge. Hey guys, let's get started. If you are wondering about Roblox Administrator Badge, this badge is given to people who work for Roblox. It could be administrators or moderators. This badge is given to make them identifiable within the community. These are the individuals who are adults over 18 working at Roblox as employees. So, if you are referring to becoming an Roblox admin for a specific game, you would need to be noticed by someone with access to that game studio, who could then manually grant you the admin privileges. Likewise, to become a staff member for Roblox Corporation, you'd have to apply through the careers page. If there are any open positions, and if you meet the age requirement, you can continue with it. Likewise, if someone claims to become admin or moderator but does not have the badge, you should report them using the report features on the site. So for now, there is no such way to obtain Roblox Administrator Badge without being an employed at Roblox. So this is all for today's video. For more such informative videos, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.